I don't have any words to describe what this last week has been like. We have spent a week in the mountains of North Carolina, and we started out when we arrived. It was extremely cold and the wind was blowing like nothing I'd ever felt before. Went to sleep that night, and the next morning everything was covered with snow. The wind blew the snow all away and the roads were clear. So the rest of the week we were able to go wherever we needed to go. But it was really too cold to be outside, even though we had all kinds of activities and things we could have done. But we stayed in the house, watched movies, talked to each other, slept. I spent hours just reading and doing nothing. And then today is our last day, and the sun came out today, and I'm able to be out on this deck just looking at the vast universe that God has created. And I feel so blessed. I know that so many millions of people are suffering every single day. And my whole passion in life forever has been to be a philanthropist, to give to other people. And while I haven't been as successful at that as I want to, I am so hopeful that this year will give me more ability to bless other people as I have been blessed. I hope that your new year is off to a good start. And I hope that you will think about what things you did in 2025 that didn't really serve you well. I can think several of those in my case. But what things that I can do this coming year that would serve me and the children of God in a better way. God is so gracious and has a plan if we will just be patient. God loves you, and so do I.